So we got this craftsman. I've worked on one of these before. This is a little bit newer though. 36 cc, 16 inch. And I'm not gonna lie, the gas tank is full. It pulls, but it does not start. And everything works. I got a box and an extra chain to go with it. So we're gonna be cutting in something soon. With a greasy, God, that rag is just greasy. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cover off here, and we're gonna dig down to the spark plug and pull it out and see what it looks like, and the air filter. So it came with one tool. That's this guy right here. See if we can fix it with just that. I'm not going to spend no money on this bad boy, but I'm going to guarantee she's going to just run. That's what's going to happen. Oh wait, welcome to the office. This is where all the magic happens. Don't tell everybody, right? It's only 3 screws. Yeah, there's only 3 screws. She's a little dirty, not too bad. Take the spark plug out. I know this will run. Absolutely no. Oh, look at that. So what are you supposed to take the damn spark plug out with? Guess we need more tools. As always, here we go. So you guys can see, huh? I've been kind of slacking on that. I'm not a very good YouTuber. Well, you know, it ain't gonna fit in there because of the fins. I don't think. God almighty, who put this in there? It wasn't me, okay? I don't think it turned. Did it turn? Okay, I gotta find another tool. It's not the right socket. For those of you who got the eyeballs like a hawk. But it works. And where I come from, it works. And it works. Hey, she's... I don't know, what do you think? Not too bad. A little crusty. We got some wire brush. Clean her up a little bit. This thing needs to be replaced. I bet he never replaced this. And the gap should be about your fingernail. So that's not right. I think they go at like 32. Let's see here. Let's go by 28 to 30 probably. I'm gonna guess. Yeah, let's go with that. I don't know. I have no idea, honestly. Does she have spark? Turn the light off. See if you guys can see. Ooh, baby, you see that? Did you see that? Get in here. Get. Man, I feel like I'm moving a whole shopping cart here. Okay. You know, it'd be much easier if I had a cameraman. Okay. Where are we at? Right there? Okay. Check it out. Such a spark. She got a damn good spark. Damn good spark. Alright. So, sorry guys, I'm kind of crammed in here. That's grease or something. I got some never season here somewhere, but I have no idea where it is, and I don't feel like looking for it. That'll do. A little dab will do you, won't it? Okay, let's try something. Okay, so I did not find what I was looking for. So what I'm going to do is use the straw. I got some two-stroke. You know, kind of like when you play with the straw at McDonald's. You get a little bit in there. Like that. Alright. There's the spark plug, guys. I didn't lose it. Think she's gonna run? I get this damn spark plug screwed back in there before the fucking gas evaporates. Maybe. Oh yeah. Just like that. Alright. We're gonna have to be a light here. Choke on. We have to go do this somewhere else. Why's it getting stuck? It just ran. Why's it getting stuck? Well, it does run. I don't know what that's all about, though. Maybe it wasn't all the way on. I don't know a damn thing about these. Do you? Hmm. You think I better warm up? I got a mosquito biting me square dab in the back. Hmm. Ah. Well, oh, you know what it is? I know exactly what it is. Okay, so if I put it this way, it'll pump. When I put it flat, it won't. So that thing that's in the gas tank broke off. That's what's wrong with it. I'm noticing the clutch is stuck. Maybe not. Come on, baby. The brake was on. And just like that, another lumberjack was just born. None of your trees are safe now from you, baby. Well, that was a lot of fun. You know what's next, right? Gotta tear the carburetor off and see what's up with that gas line. She'll run fine, though. You heard it. Those little round things up there, turn them up. Dang, that was fun. I found it on the curb probably about half an hour ago. Will it run? Yes, it will. We got her running, all right? She's running on her own power. But the only thing is with that hose, I'm going to go ahead and send this video out just like this. There's going to be a part 2 to this video, where I'm actually going to dig into it and find that line that goes into the gas tank and the filter that's in the tank and, like, you know, make it all back one again. What happened is the little pickup thing, there's like a little ceramic thing, like, I don't know, you can blow through. It's a filter, so like shit won't get sucked up into the carburetor or clog it up. But anyways, like the hose like deteriorated and busted. This is exactly what happened. So I gotta get in there and do that. Try not to make my videos too long because, like, this no internet thing, it's kind of a pain in the ass. By the way, some of y'all have been following that little story. I think I got a new one on the way, so I'll be able to actually reply to your comments and everything. Tonight, like, I tried doing it, and like this phone is just garbage. I don't know. Anyways, but look out for part 2 when we replace the gas lines on this Craftsman chainsaw. With all that being said, if you like this type of thing, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, or make a comment what you think. What do you think it is? I'm not gonna mess with it until I get some more hose. I have no hose. That's why I'm gonna. So until next time, I hope you guys be blessed. Have a good night. Peace, baby.